how to make a link tree on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now all you basically have to do is make sure your account is a creator or business account. Now if you want to make your account a creator or business account, you want to go to the settings and then go to account, and then right here at the bottom I think you should see, right here you should see switch account type. Then right here you can select a business account. So you have to select a business account. Now once you've done all that, you can go to Linktree, their website, and get started for free. Now if you click on that, you will have to create an account, and then you will end up right here. Now right here you have to fill in your email address, your username and all that to register an account. Now I'm going to do that right now. Once you've registered an account, you want to fill in your name right there. Then you can choose one of these these like categories, but you can also skip that. Then just do the CAPTCHA just like this, and then save the details. Now once you've done that, it will say select a plan, but you can actually just skip that and choose the free one. And once you've done this, you should see thanks for signing up. To verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox. So you have to verify your account, or else your Linktree actually won't really work. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you should probably do it. So then just click on continue, and then right here you can add a new link. So you can add like YouTube and then as a title, and then right here add the link to your YouTube channel. Then you can also add another link, something like Facebook maybe, and then add the Facebook link, and then right here maybe TikTok, and then add the TikTok link. It's pretty easy. You can also put them in different orders. And once you've done all that, you can click on share. Then click on copy my Linktree URL. Go back to Instagram, click on edit profile, and then right here where you see website, paste in that link. So then click on done, and now you've added that Linktree link into your bio. If you click on that, for me it will say this profile is not yet verified. As I said, I'm not going to verify this account because I'm never going to use it. But for you, it would probably take you over to your actual Linktree link. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.